This, my friend, this is the Python clamp, and in today's video I'm gonna give you my opinion on this very interesting penis enlargement gadget. So first of all, what the hell is this Python clamp? I'm pretty sure most of you guys have never seen this thing before. So the Python clamp is pretty much the most luxurious penis ring you can buy for your penis. So it's made of two parts mostly. First of all, you have the pumping handle, and then inside you have this inflatable rubber that you can basically inflate to make it hold tighter on the base of your penis. First thing you're gonna notice is that this thing is a bit bulky, so I would say it is a bit over an inch in terms of thickness, and it's made of heavy materials, so it's actually very well built. It also comes with two extra parts, so it comes with a padding that you can put on top of it, and then you can use the penis pump while using the clamp. And it also comes with an extra set of rubber that you can install yourself and make it hold even tighter. So I've actually tried this clamp in some of my videos that I already posted on my OnlyFans page, and to be honest with you, I have a mixed opinion about it. I kind of really like the concept that you're able to control the grip on the base of your penis by pumping or by adjusting it. But on the other hand, I found it a bit challenging to put it on and take it off. So first of all, you're probably gonna need to put it on when you're erect. That's how you usually put on a penis ring. However, my thickness is a bit wider than the opening here, so I had to add some lube because I simply cannot slide through this hole, which is another extra step that you have to do. Also, the grip out of the box was not really tight enough for me. I felt like it could be a little bit tighter, but anyway, that can be fixed with the extra parts that it comes with it. I honestly felt like putting this on and then putting the penis pump on top is kind of really bulky, and I would much rather just use a very thick penis ring and then use the penis pump on top, because then you're gonna have this thing dangling and then you're gonna have to hold the pump and the padding that comes here, and it just makes it a bit more challenging. However, if you want to use it just as a clamp, I think it can be a really good option, a very comfortable option, due to the fact that this thing is like a balloon basically. So it's made of rubber and it holds onto the base of your penis comfortably compared to, let's say, the traditional plastic clamp that you might buy from Amazon. Oh, another thing that you might want to note is that this thing is gonna set you back $150. So it's not a cheap PE gadget, so you really have to be into clamping, and clamping needs to be an important part of your penis enlargement routine, and then maybe this clamp is gonna make sense for you. I feel like the coolest and most important part about this clamp is that you can release the pressure pretty quickly. So imagine you were clamping, you had your very thick penis ring at the base of your penis, and you already clamped for too long and you want to remove it. Sometimes with the penis rings, it's kind of challenging. So with this one, after you pumped it completely, you can simply just release the pressure and instantly it's going to release the grip on the base of your penis. And anyways, I really like to see innovation in the penis enlargement world, and this product is one of the innovations that I honestly like. So if you're interested in grabbing one of those, I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description of this video below. And let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this Python clamp? And anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye.